Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So I've got the Bitcoin trend up, guys. This is on the hourly, and I know what some of you guys are thinking. Oh, are we going to get out of this? Well, right now, Bitcoin trading at about $17,670 per BTC. We're hovering around this level here. We did see a high of Bitcoin reaching 18,400 just a couple of days ago. There was a sharp downturn here. It came all the way back down to 17,000, and now it's hovering in this level. And, this is looking like a head and shoulders, unfortunately. We could see Bitcoin move to the downside. And, like I've said in the past, 40% corrections for Bitcoin in a healthy bull run isn't unprecedented. We saw this back in 2017, and we could see it again today. Now, what would that mean for Bitcoin? 40% is a lot, guys. And let's not forget, in 2017, Bitcoin did see 40% corrections, and it still kept chugging away. I mean, it took a couple of months for it to recover, but it did still chug away. It did keep chugging away and found new all-time highs at that $20,000 mark. So again, I've got Bitcoin on the hourly, and right now, if we were to calculate the correction, it's at about 4%. And the correction that we had seen, this deep cut down here, originally almost 8%. Where would 40% bring us? Well, 40%, if I were to scroll out here on the chart, or rather zoom out on the chart, let's see where we can get. If I show you a 40% correction, you'll probably be scared, actually, because look at it. It would bring us all the way down to about here. Okay, this level of resistance, which brings us to about here, let me put up a price call up here, bring us to about $11,000 per BTC, if you guys can see that on the chart. That's what a 40% correction would bring. And guys, look at it. Resistance, actually, that's very strong resistance here. Old resistance becomes new support. So I could see it going back down to 11,000 per BTC. I don't think that is going to happen right away. I think we have to get past Bitcoin's all-time highs to see this type of activity on the Bitcoin chart. But if you were to see this, and if you were to see Bitcoin correcting like a madman all the way down to 40%, would you still be bullish or would you be bearish? Keep that in mind, and keep in mind that we've seen it in the past and the Bitcoin trend has continued to be bullish. What's going on with XRP? Well, XRP right now just following Bitcoin still. XRP right over here trading at about 29 cents, 0.291, or rather 0.292, because it just went up a little bit. But you guys can see, right, this trend. This is XRP on the hourly, just following Bitcoin. Bring up Bitcoin. You can see that trend is similar, not exactly the same, but similar. Let me just get rid of the purple mark here to show you guys. I'm going to get rid of that. XRP, Bitcoin, similar trend here. Okay, XRP moving a little bit lower, but that's okay, guys. All altcoins are moving in this same fashion at the moment. We've got this from the Cryptic Poet here. So Sopra Steria announced exclusive negotiations with Ripple integrated Fidor Bank in a bid to acquire Fidor Solutions. So big news here coming out of Europe. European digital transformation provider Sopra Steria announced exclusive negotiations with Fidor Bank, or Fidor Bank, in a bid to acquire Fidor Solutions. Fidor Solutions is the software subsidiary and digital banking provider of Fidor Bank. Now, again, remember, these guys are Ripple integrated, so clearly there might be a motivated component to this to become future ready for this great reset, this new emerging world economy that we are reluctantly going to be a part of. The acquisition is expected to speed up the development of Sopra Banking Software's digital solutions by enhancing the user features offered to banks through its digital banking engagement platform solutions. The acquisition will be completed in Q4 2020, so we've got just less than a month and a half for that to be completed, and is subject to customary closing conditions. Sopra Banking Software recently announced the launch of a new digital platform for UK-based Kensington mortgages. The upgraded software aims to improve the latter's core platform and help deliver Sopra's new digital solutions for onboarding journeys. So 2020, the year for mergers and acquisitions. I know there hasn't really been, too much in the way of business development for a lot of companies just because of the beer flu pandemic. A lot of companies being reluctant to develop more just because there's that huge question mark looming over a lot of people's heads. What is going to happen with this new financial financial landscape. And so the companies with deep pockets are obviously looking to acquire the smaller companies. And it's a good opportunity for that too, right? The smaller companies are likely struggling. So maybe they are at a position where they just want to sell their company. Then these bigger companies just get bigger. You couple that with, RippleNet integrated technology. And now you really start to see the game being played with big players competing against one another. Amazing news there. Saw this from DJ Peter Vass. Sologenic, guys, has now launched SoloNex, a tokenized brokerage solution on the XRP Ledger. That's right, Sologenic, a marketplace ecosystem built on top of the XRP Ledger, today announced SoloNex. The solution is designed to benefit banks, brokerage houses, investment firms, and exchanges globally to provide new services or improve the existing services using blockchain technology. So we know SoloNex is a turnkey solution providing financial institutions the ability to tokenize different asset classes such as stocks, ETFs, shares, and real estate. Other capabilities of SoloNex include fractional trading to empower users affordability and the launch of funding rounds using transparent blockchain technology, namely the XRPL. So it's built on the fast and scalable XRP blockchain. SoloNex is a secure and scalable asset tokenization solution designed for financial markets. The company behind the core development of the XRP Ledger is Ripple Labs. So a quote here from the Sologenic Chief Product Officer: SoloNex is the perfect turnkey solution for organizing a tokenized brokerage business. Our ATIP, Asset Tokenization Institutional Platform, has a perfect fit for both startup or early stage brokerages and established brokers and banks who would like to diversify their product portfolio, leveraging the DeFi blockchain technologies. SoloNex is a full cycle solution featuring all necessary components for operating a brokerage and tokenization business. There's more here to the quote. Guys, I'll link this in the description if you want to read further. And the Cryptic Poet also posted this. So this looks to be the tokenization asset simulator. I'm not going to play you guys the video, but it is a live demo of buying and tokenizing stocks on the XRP Ledger using Sologenic. So yet another use case for XRP, as the Cryptic Poet mentions. The video is only 1 minute and 21 seconds. Again, I will link it I'll link it in the description, and I'll label it the Cryptic Poet so you'll know what tweet it is. Okay. More news here, guys. YouHodler to support Flare Network Airdrop. So as the date is getting closer for this snapshot, more and more exchanges are getting on board with this. We can now add YouHodler to the list as we plan to deposit, so this from YouHodler's website, as we plan to deposit Spark tokens to all XRP hodlers on the platform. This is a perfect opportunity to start accumulating more XRP on YouHodler via crypto-backed loans and turbocharge. Gives a little description about what Flare Networks is and details on claiming your Spark and distribution. So there you go, guys. 1-to-1 Spark token for every XRP that you hold, and the list just keeps getting bigger and bigger. If you do have a Ledger Nano S or X, I do have a video on how you can claim your Spark tokens via the Ledger Nano S and X. I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. I know a lot of you guys have already seen that video, but more people are getting interested in this. More people want to claim Spark tokens, and there are some rumors going around. Anyway, let me back up for a second. A lot of people in the XRP community, they're saying once they get their Spark tokens, they're thinking, well, what am I going to do with these? Should I keep them? Should I sell them? Am I going to really use them? Are they going to go up in price? Are they going to rally? And then maybe I can, take some profits off the table, sell them all. It's kind of like found money, right? Well, apparently you need to hold Spark tokens in order to get the FSLR token. What? I don't know if this is true or not. I just saw this tweet here from XRP Euphoria. So there's another airdrop of an FLR token to those holding Spark. What's this all about? So he goes down in this tweet. This is just a screen grab from Flare Finance. Now hold on a second. Flare Finance, were they and I'm sorry guys for doing this live on the video. Were they the scam Twitter account? Because if that's the case, then this is not true. There is no pre-sale for Flare Finance. You must hold Spark FLR to receive our airdrop. And then this person here, Thomas Vanasek, says, okay, cool. Do you have a time frame or even a date for your airdrop? You can expect our snapshot to take place on the 1-month anniversary of the Flare Network launch. Claims will open up 4 to 7 days after the snapshot. This was taken back in October, late October 2020. So Flare Finance, FLR Finance, I have a feeling that is not an official account. So guys, my apologies to maybe get your hopes up. Put it down in the comments if you guys know for sure. One thing I do know for sure, guys, is this from RICKSAMER here on Twitter. Check out Flare Network's chief scientist's resume. Now, I thought this was interesting. This is Nari Usher. Chief scientist at Flare Networks, Flare Network International School of Geneva, located in London, England. And check out her resume here. PhD in quantum computing, postdoctoral research in quantum machine learning, and now she's the chief scientist at Flare Network as of January 2019. Quantum computing, an interesting topic that some of us have been researching over the last few months. And so if she is working as the chief scientist at Flare Networks, is quantum computing going to be a component to this? What is this going to mean for the XRP token, XRP hodlers, and is somehow quantum computing going to be part of a next generational, future-ready system that takes XRP integration to a new level? I don't have to remind you, Brad Garlinghouse has consistently been telling us that, cross-border payments is the first vertical. Ripple and the XRP token want to be leveraged to enter new verticals, new markets, to build more XRP utility for more demand. More demand, guys, means the price is just going to go up, but that's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.